The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday. Hope everyone had a great night, ready for a great day. Markets to market. Let's take a look at them overnight. Hey, Mr. G. Hey, Juan. Hey, Antonio. How are you doing? All you doing today? I'm Ed. Good to see everybody. Thank you for being here. We ready to rock and rumble. Let me get my music started and then we'll rock and rumble. There we go. Anyway, so we've been rising up overnight. We did have a blip, pull back a little bit when Russia basically threatened World War III, but then we came back up. Low of the day so far, 45.15. High is a 45.36. That's a 21 point range. NQ low seems to be 343 half. High 432 half. So about 90 points. How's everyone doing today? Copper? Copper had a nice rise up, pulling back now. It's about mid-range, and it's about 120 ticks of range. Gold came up, now fallen, hitting low day. About 9 points of range. Ultra Bond also up and down night. Looking like it's about just over a point in range. Awesome. Good luck on that, G. Awesome. Good. Okay, Antonio. Crude going wild. Up to 84. Pull back a little bit, back under 84. So natural gas is also going wild right now. Crude oil inventories are today. It's our only news catalyst unless something else popped up. I'll check financial juice here in a minute. So about 140 tick range on crude oil. I think this is the highest we've been in a while, too. Let's take a gander. Ooh, look at all those ugly purple lines. But, yeah, this is the highest we've been since, get out of my way. Looks like, April. And Bitcoin went on a nice run yesterday, nearing 30,000 again. So that's where we sit standing with everybody. She's a take. You see, we're coming down here. And all of a sudden, it reversed right here. Much to Imad's disdain. Hey, Philip, how you doing? What's the Russell do overnight? Let's see. Russell's rising up, pulled back a little bit. It's now trying to come back up. There we go. NQ looks like it wants to come up here. I like it. Kinda. We'll maybe take a trade on that. Let's check quickly financial juice. I'm pretty sure we have no news today. Yeah. The only news today, and it will not move the markets, is Canadian building permits. And then, of course, crude oil inventories. A little bit of a market shakeup a couple hours ago when Russia announced they'll build up forces at western borders. Mr. G, I saw that only one ticket won the Mega Millions, and it was bought in Florida. I assume it was not you since you're here? We're long here on ANQ, well, MNQ, 2 micros, because we are very close to drawdown on this account, so we'll see how it goes. Oh, I guess I need to put like stops on because I forgot to use an ATM. There we go. And you can see my trade down here. Let me unscrunch it. There we go. See how we go. How we do. Hey, Robin. How's it going? I'm doing all right. So, looking to see if we can get back up to this highs here, 427. We'll see what we can do. I forget, is that high day? 432 is high day. We're at 406 right now. Entry was at 403. There we go. Getting some movement up. So, of course, today's the calm before the storm. Tomorrow, CPI. Friday, PPI. Back. Let's see what she does. What she does, I put the stop. You know, this is a 1 minute chart versus a 5 minute chart over here. I put the stop at the below of this spot, this blue candle here, the wick of a candle. So we'll see. It's about a about almost a 12-point stop. And not looking good. Ouch. Ouchie, ouchie. This was the candle, obviously the one that was good to take. You know, it hit all my buttons, but I wasn't really trading it then. See if we bounce back up here. Oh wow, new high. I didn't realize we're at new high year. Interested to see if that continues to run and how bad gas prices are going to get. Not liking the look of the setup on the 1 minute chart. Reminder, folks, if you're expecting to enjoy today's stream, I'd appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button. YouTube algorithm. If you don't expect to enjoy today's stream, eh, there's always Patrick Wheeland. Looks like I'm gonna get knocked back out of this trade. Purple candle there on the 1. That's probably where I should have got out. And now I'll just hang on until, because there's only a couple more points to my stop. Yep, there we go. So I always start the day off with a loss. Nice. We're pulling back down. See if it bounces. We see the 20 and the 100 converging here. It's trying to break through both. Yep, nice reversal here. Well, while that's doing that to me, let's see here. Let's look at crude. Let's look at the 5 minute charts on everything. See where see here, gold just been falling. Its best entry. Actually, it gave me a little bit of a pullback there, and then a re-entry right there, which would have been great based on my strat. Let's see, crude's probably been going up all night long. It has been. Little dip there. Yeah, a little dip there would have been beautiful. Boom, boom. Right there, entry. Back up. I need to start trading in the middle of the night, I guess. Copper. See, right here, this would have been my entry on copper. Wait, hold on. Boom, 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 boom. Right there. You can see how much that's come down. Another entry. Boom, boom. There. And then a little bit of a pullback, and then pull up. I'm a big kid now. There. All those have been good. Meanwhile, NQ continues to fall back down to 383. So I think you're doing good, Antonio, there. You're short at 391. Nice fall. Okay, well, the normal red and green or normal red and green, Antonio, you know, positive up candle, red. The blue candle is a bullish engulfing candle, which means it engulfs the body of the previous opposite candle. So it only forms if, like, a blue candle only forms if the last candle was red or purple. The purple is a bearish engulfing candle, means that the body is bigger than the last candle that was positive. So, you know, like here you can see the purple candle can only form if there was a green candle before it, and a blue candle can only form if it was a red or a purple candle before it. Hey JC, how you doing? Big fall here, guys. Down to 374. Apparently just waited for my long entry earlier. Ultra bond falling as it gets ready to open. Doing all right. You're welcome, Antonio. Thank you for asking the question. So while we watch NQ fall here, I'm going to eat my eggs. I'm a pretty quick eater, so won't take long. How did that go, JC? See, we're jumping down below the 20 line here, so we might take a short on the next candle if we stay. Nice, JC. So do you have a target? Oops. Still scrunching the Dow. Yeah, everything's dropping. Dropping like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. That would be a big drop, wouldn't it? Looking at the numbers here of the euro. Doing ICT, JC? Are you down with ICT? Yeah, you know me. Honestly, the first thing I think about when I hear ICT is ICP, Insane Clown Posse. Not because I think he's a clown or anything like that, but just that's what pops into my mind. Oh yeah, what did UB do open at the open? Yeah, popped up. Put over mid to go in this, excuse me, this candle. Candle's an 8-point candle so far. Now it's a bigger candle, 10 points. Yes, also breaking below that 20 line that I talk about. Let's give him something to talk about. Just hit that 372, kind of bounced. Pretty big bounce. That candle's now more wick than body. That always bothers me. But the last one had a big wick too. So I did not enter there. I was thinking about it, but we'll wait to see what happens here. As long as it's giving you more good days than face ripping days. Took the short now. Maybe I should not have. It came down and then bounced right back. That's okay. What's the high of this? 381.25. We'll move our stop to the high of that candle. I think it was there, yeah. And we're going to get stopped out pretty much right away. Yep, yeah. That was a bad entry on my part. Came back down, thought it was going to come back down below there, and it did not. Should have listened to myself about that wick on this candle. Hey, John, how you doing? I was Costco yesterday, John. Stopped out in that one again. So this would have been my actual entry, right? Boom, 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 right there. That one, and I wasn't trading yet then, but that would have been the best entry. This one failed me. Technically, it was middle of the pack. And now so far, this one's failed me. And now it comes back down. We're going to try again. If at first you don't succeed, get your face ripped off a second time. Crude oil? What's crude doing? Crude trying to still rise up here. Beautiful candle there. Check the 5 minute. Okay. Hanging right on that 80 line that I talk about. Copper's trying to pop back up there. Gold's all wonky. Ultra bond. Not really doing much right now. Hey, yep, I'm gonna get my face ripped off again. How about that? Does not want to get below that 375 area. Comes up, hits the 20 on the one. Let's see if it breaks through. Oh, awesome. Thank you, JC. Getting the trading bug going through the family, huh? I think everybody quits trading at least once. I've probably quit trading about 1,256 times. Sometimes it's only for like 5 minutes. Considering quitting today, but you know. Oh for 3 this morning. Oh, UB did take off here at its open. Boom up. And actually, there was an entry there for me. I just can't watch everything. Right here, boom, 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 boom. That blue candle was actually the entry. If I would, although I mean this next one could have been better, but right there, either one of those candles could have got me that. Ultra down here, the entry was actually earlier, about 7:40 Eastern. Look at natural gas just flying. Natural gas trying to get up to 3, and I can't remember the last time it was at 3. I don't watch natural gas that closely, but oops, meant to do that to natural gas, not doom. You can see I don't watch it that closely. I hardly have any drawings on it. Looks like, well, no. You can see the huge fall natural gas had. But yeah, the last time natural gas was at 3, looks like back in March. No? No, I'm wrong. Maybe I'm right. Yeah, back in March. Home heating season is heading. Wow, look at that big blue candle there. Should we try one more time? We'll try one more trade on this account today. We'll switch to the earn a trade account here in a bit. If this one don't work out. 6E's coming back. Oh yeah, 6E's coming back. Your stop at break even, JC, or do you have a in profit stop? I'm late in this candle, of course. 392, and my entry was at 3. Not too late. About 2 points. Get back above 15,400. Remember, there's no news catalysts today at all, except for well, crude oil inventories. but that doesn't usually affect the indices, equities, whatever you want to call them. Pulling back to my entry. See if we can continue up. Oh, nice. Good. Yep, everything I touched today is not working. Maybe. Maybe. High this candle 407. My target's at 404. Hanging right around my entry. And there it goes, pushing down. For about 50 minutes until the bell. Breaks back through its 100 there, 100 EMA at 390. See if it breaks back through the 100 and the 20 there on the 1 minute. It touched those EMAs, now trying to bounce. I'm not holding out hope. There we go. Stopped out. Yay. Market hates me today. So giving up that whole big candle that it gained before, looking like it wants to come back down now. About 45 minutes to the bell. This is almost a 20-point candle. There's 20 points on this candle. Just a big fall. Low over here was 363. Just the low of the day. No, I'm wrong. 343 is the low of Asia. Wow, really big candle here. New candle forms, bounces up by about 3. Watching and waiting, see if wants to give me another entry here. Blue Sky Trading Company announces a new static drawdown account. They call it the Static Growth Account, and it might be the best static account of any of the 12 major futures prop firms. The evaluation, almost no rules. Hit the $2,000 profit target. Don't hit the $800 static drawdown. There's no consistency rule. There's no daily loss limit. There's no minimum trading days. Your static drawdown means it doesn't move. It's not intraday. It's not end of day. It's static. You're limited to 5 micros. Build up on that. Hit your profit target. Go to funded. There you'll start with 1 mini or 10 micros, however you prefer to trade. And you will continue to rise up as long as you show you're consistently trading well. They'll continue to increase your size up to 20 minis. Like I said, best static on the market. I think most other statics that are out there limit you to like 2 contracts. So get on in on this. They say it's possibly limited to the amount of people. So jump on this now, $199, and the link is in the video description below. Something to be excited about. It's a great time to be a futures prop trader. Let's give it back about a third of that candle, that green candle, but still undecided where it wants to go. Hmm. All right, JC, you out of your trade? Well, Dow coming down a little bit here. ES made the exact same move, pretty much. A little bit less dramatic. 24-point candle there, and then here it's crawled back up by half, 12 points. So we watch and we wait for our next entry here. Let's see what everything else is doing here. Gold did make a new low a day, then bounced. Those are ugly candles. Ultra Bond, not a real, I mean, green candles, but unsure of itself, for show. Crude opens here in a few minutes, made that new high and then pulled back. Natural gas pulling back just a tad. Looks like copper's continuing to try to come down. Currencies are trying to pop up a bit. And here comes NQ right back down. Hey Ace, how's the run going? Days are getting shorter already. We're only about a month and a week away from the start of fall. It's choppy. Ace. All the indices are choppy so far. No news catalyst this morning and CPI tomorrow, so we could be in for a choppy day. Choppy. Ace is going to ask that question when he's out on a run, and I'm going to be like, just plop down 30 points. Make him run real fast to get home. We're coming back down here. None of this is, obviously I should have stayed out on the blue sky account. None of this is anything I want to take here. Got back down there, struggling to get through. See, 365 there, 366 there, 367 there, and over here we got down to 363. This is obviously a big resistance area. Anybody else trading yet this morning? John DeFore said hello and then disappeared. Everyone's quiet right now. So we have just about the top of the hour. See what crude does at its open. It's been trying to bounce here. Kind of stagnant. Ouch. Crude pops down a bit. Not much. Still not much going on. I don't know where we're going. Trying to break through that resistance. Back down to 366. Can it get through? Can it get through? That's the question. Nope, it cannot. Bouncing again. So this is like a huge wall here, it seems like. And the wall comes tumbling down near the wall. But it has not yet come tumbling down. Morning, RJ. Ultra Bond trying to pop up again. Natural gas going for the sky. Way up in the sky. Oh. So back up to that 373 area. Dow giving us a blue candle as well. ES 45, 24, 75. It's a locker combination. Morning, Burl. How you doing? There's purple candle, but I'm not gonna go for it. How are things today, Mr. Burl? Dollar after tax there, Burl. Just a choppy morning. You need like a Fed speaker or something this morning just to liven things up. Going down. Just a tad, but still hanging around 372. The sandbox, as Antonio calls it. Crude did bounce there. Nice, nice, nice. Nice rice. Can you say boring? First emergency? What kind of emergency? You didn't suddenly become like a EMT, did you? Purple candle here. Maybe we'll take it. Let's see what happens here. Well, maybe, and then again, probably we won't unless it does break that support at the 365 area. Ah, fun, fun. Purple candle. Still got 2 minutes on it. So is it maybe time to increase your the amount of micros you're trading there, John? Ooh, big move down. Finally broke that support. Now it's down to the level where this big blue candle grew out of, I guess you could say. It needs to wonder if it's going to break that as well. 15 minutes or so until the bell. Yeah, that'd be nice, wouldn't it? Top Step's looking for customer service reps and coming right back up here on this candle. It's kind of what I was afraid of. It's a good question. I don't know. Uh, says $17 an hour. I don't know how accurate that is, but that's what I'm getting from a search, is what I mean. Let's pull back up about 5.6 points off this candle. Still waiting to see where it wants to go. So approaching the bell. Anybody get anything out of this pre-market? It's not just that, bro. It's the fact that Tradovate, crapped the bed on them and caused a whole bunch of issues. That was the main reason they got behind on everything. Yeah. Uh, yeah, I see that, JC. Nothing looking great this morning, really. 10 minutes till the bell. See if things look better after the bell. Cat saying good morning. This purple candle definitely would not have worked. Well, I shouldn't say. I mean, it hasn't stopped out yet, or would wouldn't have gotten to a stop yet, but it's close. See here, crude's heading up nicely. Ultra bond pulling back. Gold trying to bounce, but it looks ugly. $15-minute on the Dow looks like a short. So hopefully there'll be better opportunities after the bell. I don't know, let's look at the 1 minute and see if there's any like real opportunity. No, that's an ugly chart on the 1 minute. Very ugly. Obviously, this move down here was the one that I missed. I actually got stopped out on a long here off this area. It's the only real big move of the morning. Tomorrow will be more exciting for sure with CPI. A little bit red candle there, like that for you, JC. This is the 15-minute on copper. And some of this stuff, obviously I wasn't awake when it did this, but right here, based on my strategy, having a great entry, having the entry, you can see when it got 40 ticks out of that, then it came back down. My entry, based on the strat, would have been there, kind of rode the 100 EMA, and then came down. Looks like it wants to continue down. We'll see. We've got a blue pool down here, so that'll be something to keep an eye on. 6E. I don't usually chart it out. I'm just curious. Looks like my entry there would have been a long back about 4 a.m. Eastern, but that would have been a failure. Absolute failure there. Then short entry there. It's been choppy as heck, but when it came down from 109,950 down to 109,830. Now it's bounced back up. Actually would have just given me an entry. Boom, boom. Long. About an hour ago. Really? Hour? Yeah. uh, well, have yourself a good vacation, John. Rest and relax and all that fun stuff. Look forward to it, John. Look forward to hearing about your adventures. Falls. Finally breaking this support. Not convincing yet, but we are 2 minutes to the bell. Question is Ace anywhere close to his war rig? Or is he still on a back trail getting chased by a cougar? There's a breakdown to 359. And we are ready to ring-a-ling. Ding, 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 ding. Quick spike down to 355 and back up to 362. ES at 45.20. Dow rising up quick by 50 points. And back down. And falling. 315, 350 on NQ. Low a day from Asia was 343. It's trying to prime to break that. Even the open's not real exciting yet. 348. Still choppy. See what agriculture's doing. Boop. Boop. It's mixed too. Copper. Sorry about your trade there, JC. Copper trying to pop back up. All indices, I mean, all currencies are trying to pop up. Gold popping up. Ultra bond really popping up. Crude not popping up. Bitcoin touched 30,000 again and came back down. Yeah, now we're trying to get some momentum to the downside on Q and ES. There's a break of, well, just hit the low. Yep, now a break of the low of the overnight. ES down 3 points on this opening 5-minute candle. NQ down just 17. Dow just gave back everything. Now red candle as well. Bouncing all the way back up now. And now we're green. Wow. They got down to 336. Fell about 25 points total. And now almost back to where it started. Kind of hanging here now. Now we're back to red again. Yeah, I'm thinking down too, but down to 339. Yeah, 4 hour does look like it's coming down. Falling, try to continue down. Welcome back, Ace. Short ES somewhere. Down to 15,325 here as NQ now falls by 30 points on this candle. Dow's down some, but ES down to 45.15. Wow. Down 40, no, 35. I was really thinking short. I wish I had bet on that. Down to 315. That said, this smells like a bounce at the end of this candle. This is a huge candle down, totally expanding that RTI majorly. I smell a bounce. It smells like chicken frying. 311. So far, no bounce. I'm not gonna try and play a bounce. I'm not gonna guess at it either. So yeah, Dow is befuddling. Ooh, quite the befuddler. There's a possible bounce. Shouldn't drop babies, Ace. Nice. Nice. Sitting at 373 on Dow. We're sitting at 322 here at NQ. A little bit of a bounce. Got down to 299. Broke 300 just for a quick second. So we bounced back up by a little over 20 points. ES bouncing up about 2.5 here on this candle. Oh, candle went back to red. ES still green now. Dow still kind of indecisive on this 5-minute candle. Oh, wow. Now there's that fall you were looking for, Ace. Just had a little hesitation before it. But this is just. And I think you got lucky there at that little long. Down to 281 here on NQ. ES down to 45.10. Dow down to 360. Nice, Ace. Nice. Copper rising up nicely. Crude rising up, new high of day. Gold, all yucky. Ultravon pulling back. Let's see what the hourly charts look like. Wow. Well, the day now 281 quarter on NQ. Yes, hesitating a bit here around 45.13. So it's sideways there on the 1 minute chart for the NQ. Hanging right here around 293. Gotta take it what they're giving because we're trading for a living. Oh, trading for a living. Oh, sorry. ES giving me a blue candle. Oh, I have a blue. We have we have lava. We have pool. So see what happens in the next 90 seconds. Looks like it wants to bounce here. Nice job, my man. Thank you. Barely. Nope, just went red again. Nice move up on the Dow. This is a 29-point candle. That blue candle just went away on the ES. AQ try to tip. That's back. Indecisive here with 20 seconds to go. I hate that. Not the most convincing candle in the world at all. Oh, falling fast. Back down to 270, 266 here. ES falling down to 45.10. Back down the Dow down to 35,388. ES 45.10. Couple times I thought it was gonna bounce, but it hasn't. Nice job, IMAD. Is that on your Top Step account? How are you doing overall in that account? Excellent. Glad to hear that. So here, you look here, boom, boom, boom. This little bit of a pullback here. This is the one that stopped me out earlier. But it pulled back there once and then came back down. This was my entry right here. Would have been an entry for me. You can see it. If I would have got in there, this has dropped 100 points since then, based on my entry criteria. I didn't get in there because I was busy getting stopped out trying that long there, which is ill-advised. Awesome. I bet. Yeah, as humans, we don't embrace change always. So guys, I just got very lucky on my earn a trade account. Got lucky because two reasons. Um, let me. I was taking. I decided off that blue candle to try and take a long on the earn a trade account. This is my chart on the ES. And the reason I didn't say anything is because it happened so fast. I'm only allowed to enter two contracts on ES, on the earn a trade account, I'm sorry, at this stage of the game, on the stage of the eval. For some reason, NinjaTrader entered with 11 contracts. So that could have failed me. Not only did I get lucky in the fact that I was able to quickly get out with a profit of those 11 contracts, but I got out quick enough that the system did not catch it and I did not fail. Yeah, I have no idea why 11. I'm not sure what happened there. So you can see all the entries there, and you can see here closed 10 at 45.14 quarter, and another one at 45.14 quarter. And I was like, oh my god! But I just placed another order, quick order, just one micro, just to make sure I was not. The system didn't catch me and everything was fine. So that was a wow. And now we are getting a blue candle in NQ. Seems like now might be the bottom. We'll see. Still got 2 minutes on it. You're saying there's more coyotes moving to Ace's area? Yeah, I don't like it either right now. The blue candle went away. Running Ace or slightly green on that candle, not convincing at all. Not at all. Uh, no talk of that area being considered, Ace. Thinking uh, either Nashville or Memphis, Tennessee, Portland, Oregon, Montreal. And I forget, there was a fourth area, but I forget what it was. Nice move there on the Dow. And look at this rise up. You should have stayed in, Imad. He's trading the Dow, Imad. Yeah, Dow rising hard. Doesn't the Utah Jazz play on Sundays sometimes? It did just hit top of the hour. Maybe that's where those boosts came from. I don't. Like I said, there's no news today. Oh, nope, they caught me. Even that's weird that it allowed me to enter trades even though it caught me. It says I failed the eval. Darn it. So, gotta reset that one. Earn the trade. It's alright. I figured I wasn't. It's just weird that it still allowed me to enter trades. Yep, I've mentioned that. It's gonna go in a video here soon. At I. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I still think that was 4x. There's a lot of scammy 4x's out there. Futures is a much better space for prop firms, in my opinion. Not that anyone really cares about my opinion. Yeah, there are. There's some good ones. One of them's about to enter the future space, and I did the research on them. They're a good company. Okay, that account's been reset. We'll look to take our first trade on it. All right, good luck with that, Antonio. I'm mad. Did you just steal my word, Wonky? Purple candle here. Ace always tells bank robbers that too. Big purple candle there on the Dow. Big purple candle here on ES. Big purple candle here on NQ. Big purple candle there on the Russell. Seeing more purple here than watching Varney. If anyone's trading crude oil, remember you got inventories in 20 minutes. Yeah, there's a lot of crappy Forex props, but there are some good ones. The future space is pretty good at this point. There have been a couple of scammy ones that popped up, but they never got traction. The future space, because it's more concise, I think, has a higher quality to it. Big word, concise. Not really big. It's only 7 letters, but there's 12 major futures prop firms. When my funded futures launches, that'd be number 13. And there hasn't been any major payment issues or anything with it, any of them. I'm leery of one, which is really gimmicky, and that's Lilu. Um, I don't like Elite Trader funding because they screw their affiliates. And Tick Traders is just overall rude, but never heard of any problem with them paying people. Yeah, and I think that's true not even of prop firms, but just regular Forex in general. With no central exchange in Forex, the brokers can pretty much, they can set their own fees and spreads and all this other crap and really screw people. Matter of fact, I was just reading from the CEO of My Funded Forex and My Funded Futures last night. He sent a tweet. Listen to this while we watch this rise up. Listen to this. He couldn't believe this. Let me find it. I just got off the call with a broker, he didn't name him, who offered me a marketing account to promote their services for a huge affiliate deal. There's a back office plugin that I can use that I'm able to change my trade history to whoever I want it to show. I can add $10 million to the live account and make $1 million perfect profit days every day. It's all fake, and the broker openly wanted me to do it. It connects directly to my FX book and shows the history as real as any account would, and it's all a lie. He says, so any influencer is showing insane profits for an offshore broker is likely using this back office plugin to fool you into signing up. A few clicks and you can fake trade history in the middle of a trade or after a trade already happened. And that was a broker, not a prop firm, a broker. Yep, Dow coming down. AQ and ES choppy. Copper choppy, which makes it chopper. Crude pulling back a bit, as is gold. Ultra bond heading up though. Right now, my bias is that it wants to reverse here, come back up. But I need it to like convince me of it. I don't know. We're we're honestly down to levels that the views I get now are like levels I got like a year and a half ago. It used to be there's always at least 20 people and we hit 30 and I'll get 200 views. Now, it's sitting at 16 and like yesterday we got less than 100 views on the stream. And it looks like we got 2 downvotes today. Yep, 2 down, 14 upvotes, 2 downvotes. Yep, you are absolutely awesome, RJ. Blue candle. I'll have a blue. Blue candle not working. Damn it. Name rings a bell, but I don't remember who Jason Bond is. How can we the views? You mean, Antonio? I don't know. I mean, I don't think there's any way you can until I start showing consistent profitability. You know, Patrick Whelan I think, took a chunk of my views, and people want to see more exciting stuff. Okay, yeah, I do think I do remember hearing that name. Yeah, they actually got caught, right? I doubt he's watching, RJ. If he is, he should hit the like button. A lot of regulars haven't been here this week. No Sid, no Crypticon. There's a lot of regulars that just don't show up anymore. Deb, haven't seen her in a long time. And there's RJ with big words like emblematic. Yeah, Vincent. I still wish I knew what happened to him. That's the thing that sucks about this and about the internet as a whole is it's so easy to just lose track of people. Like any of you guys could just decide to stop showing up, and I would never know if you quit trading, if you just started hating me, if you got hit by a bus. Coming back down, trying to make a new low here in NQ. Thank you, Jay. And new low a day. 15,259, 258. Not really down today. Avi. We haven't seen Avi in forever. Andrew Gibson hasn't been here for a few weeks. Bouncing here. Got down to 257, back up to 274. What's weird, I'm mad. Uh, that's weird. So new low is 257 quarter. Crude oil inventories in 5 minutes. What did agriculture do today? It came down, but that's also choppy. Choppy. More choppiness. Russell really wasn't real choppy. It just fell. Not afraid of falling. About a half an hour left in the stream. We'll see if we can get a trade in anywhere. What's an otter pop? Oh, okay. I see it now. Wow, they're really cheap. Piece of cheese. Well, I mean, hey David, welcome and glad to see you chime in. You don't need to stay silent. If you ever feel like talking, definitely feel free to talk. But I mean, you know, like trades by Matt and I believe Patrick Whelan are both free as well, and they get thousands of views. And I'm not, like I said, I never wanted, I never wanted to be trades by Matt. I never wanted a room that was so active that I couldn't read the chat. It's just, I mean, I like to have I like the way it was for a while, but like even, the revenue has definitely died on, I make about $10 a month now on the YouTube. I don't know. I just, yeah, I need to be better at making non-live content. I go through spurts, so I make a bunch and then I do nothing. It's just hard to always balance everything to try and find the time because of having to still earn money outside of trading. I think if I was consistently profitable and had a strategy that, that was consistently profitable, I think that would bring in more people, but yeah. Right. Yeah, I would never want to be that big, and if something ever happened where my channel blew up like that, I would probably then make it where only members could type and pick out my favorite people, and then only they could have typing privileges anyway. Yeah, I know Trades by Matt did pay for some back in the day, but I know that I mean he also does a lot of organic growth because I mean he's Top Step second second uh, what I at least back in the day his channel was Top Step's second highest way of that new people found Top Step. I can't think of the right word for that, but basically behind he was second behind Top Step's advertisements that they put out. So I mean he's probably making several $1,000s a month just in affiliate earnings. That's awesome. That's awesome, Ace. 5 for $1. Who says you can't get good value these days? And that is absolutely that's excellent artwork there with the before and after. There is the otter pop sign from Ace. Notice the before and after smileys. You wouldn't see that on Trades by Matt. Oh yeah, I agree. I mean, I know Patrick Wheeland is, outlandish. There's drama. There's and people like to see the big money. Patrick sometimes is a five-figure winner and sometimes a five-figure loser. People like that versus my dinky $100 to $200 trades and stuff like that. I understand that. I'm not trying to compete with Patrick or anything like that. I just, seeing the numbers come down from where they were, I wouldn't have minded if they stayed there, but the fact that, it's that it got to a certain level and then fell back, bothered me a little bit. That's basically it. And I mean, honestly, and I just hate the other thing is not even the income or even just as the numbers. When people become a regular in the stream, I feel like they're friends, and I hate it when someone just disappears and I have no idea what happened to them. There's been so many. I still don't know what made Dakota quit. I don't know if he left just to hate it, started hating something about the room, twerked him off, and he left. It was just sudden. Uh, and there's other people that just kind of faded away. And I realize that's just the internet. That's how things are. It just, you always wonder what happened to that person. But let me put it this way, I'm at, I got, hold on, give me a second. My analytics for August so far, let's see, are here. Better yet, over the last 28 days, so 4 weeks, I have about 4,300 views, 1,300 watch hours, and my revenue is $30. Yeah, I mean, I've gotten a couple payouts from YouTube, but they were kind of boosted by people doing donations. Yeah, I talk to CFT here and there. He's on the Discord. He pops in on the Discord every now and then. Yep, another blue candle trying to rise up here. Well, the thing is, finance, which is what falls under, has a higher rate than most other types of content on YouTube for advertisers. You know, the right video can really, do something like but even like I got 579 views on that one that that video, the top step just kill Apex, which is one of the most I've ever got. I made $2.82 with that. So that's why it's hard. I would love to make more content, but it's like I have to balance that with the other ways I need to, still survive and make money. Crude, wow, crude bursting up to 84.45 here. Looks like inventories came in low. Let's look at the news. Crude oil inventories actual 5.851 million. The forecast was 2.3 million. It was actually more than they expected. Surprised the move was up. Yeah, negative 17 million. Highest. I just need to finally become profitable at this trading thing and not to, you know, continue figuring out how to balance everything and all that. And the other thing is, as the market's doing nothing, so that's why I'm just rambling. Uh, you know, I do make affiliate earnings with people using my links to get their accounts, which I really appreciate. And so while I'm looking at YouTube only income there, in reality, the fact that I live stream and the fact that I have a channel helps with that as well. You know, between the different affiliate programs last month, I brought in about $500 in affiliate earnings. So I can't I don't definitely that helps. It's not enough to make it that I could just concentrate on trading full time and doing the affiliate stuff, but it definitely helps get me by. Still hanging near the lows here, 266. I remember About an hour and a half ago, we were talking about 366. Now we're at 266. Be interesting to see if you look here. The last few days, we've come down and then it's rebounded in the afternoon. That was just an all day. I mean, but here we died in the afternoon. I forget what that was. Friday just sold off. But, had these late rebounds like here. And yesterday, rebound. So be interested to see if we get another rebound this afternoon. Five-hour mission to explore overnight highs. Dow's hitting that 100 EMA on the 5. And back down. Nothing can help the NQ. It just keeps dying and dying and dying. Oh wow, gold made a new daily low there all of a sudden. Back down to 1952. Crude got up to 84.65. Look at this run on crude. Okay, these alerts are annoying as heck. So look at the last 2 days on crude, just a straight up after bouncing down here yesterday morning. Boom, sideways during overnight, and then boom. So you can expect to pay more at the pump. You're going to short the rest of the morning? All right, sounds good. Sounds good. Coming down. See ya, JC. Have a great day. Now it got back down to 250. Well, shouldn't say back down. 251, new low. Yesterday's low was 228. Yesterday's low. Yesterday's low. Sorry, that was probably really annoying. Wow, big fall here. Good call there by Antonio saying short. Back down to 241 ES. Down to 45.07 Dow down. Back down to 35.384. So how low will she go? How low will she go? So wrapping up here in a little less than 10 minutes. Gold's falling, Ultra Bond falling, crude pulling back after hitting highs. Agriculture choppy. Nice purple candle there. That'd been great to hit actually. It's a good entry for soybean oil. And decent entries for both soybean oil and soybeans. So down to 222 on NQ. That's a pretty big drop there, RJ, on the Dow. What you thinking there? Coming down. Still dropping. So we had the big drop. We consolidated, and this is the second big drop. Can it break 200? What did I say yesterday's low is? Ooh, we broke yesterday's low. Yesterday's low was 218. Got down to 207. Back up to that 218. ES though is not falling nearly as fast, or yes, just maybe it had a deeper yesterday. Yesterday's low in ES was 44.85, and we haven't even broken 4,500 here yet. Hey, Glitch, nice to see you. How you doing? I'm doing well. Hope you had a good time, Glitch. So, not a great day today. Hopefully tomorrow will be better at CPI. We have reached the end of our time together. Back tomorrow, 8 a.m., ready to trade that CPI report, PPI on Friday. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day and that we shall see you all tomorrow. All right, RJ, I'll keep an eye on that throughout the morning and see where it goes. Have a great day, everyone. Bye. Enjoyed today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.